So today I'm going to draw one art shape over here. So you can turn your paper and then draw, doesn't matter. Kind of like a big, let me move my paper this way. So this is kind of like a big smiley face. I'm drawing this one dark so you can see, but try to draw super duper light. So this side we are going to fix later. Over here at the end, not a straight line like this. I will do little bit tilted line. So it's too much tilted. So you can see by looking over here. So I'm just slightly tilted this much. So now from here, this line is touching here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this whole thing. So on the top of the line I'm drawing, and then I will turn a little bit here. Now for this one, let me erase this here. This line will not go on the top of this line. This line will start turning from here. So this much thickness, if I want same thickness, I will try this side. Little bit here and there, that's totally fine. Now from here, I'm trying to go kind of like not really curvy, kind of little bit straight and at the same time curvy. So then I'm going to turn this one this direction. Now I will pick one point over here and double of this size, like 1 and 2 this side. This one will come all the way over here with the arch, so you can turn your paper and then draw. Now for this side, we have to start from here. So this one, we will take this one and we will try to turn slowly by slowly. So I have multiple lines over here and multiple lines over here. So which one to pick? So I know this side, I will pick the outer one because here they are skinny but not over here. I picked the outer side because I want more wider area over here and skinnier area over here. So how to see this shape? So this one is curving and after that it's kind of like almost straight all the way here. Almost. Not really straight but almost, and then it's curving over here. Now let's start this part. For this one we can see this one, so I will try to make a sad face over here. When I'm doing it, at the same time I'm looking this triangle shape. So I cannot draw over here and make it really big triangle. It's a really small triangle over here. And then I will go. If it's hard for you, I already posted one video for the peacock and parrot. I will draw eye over here. I pick one point over here, and under this one I will do kind of like, if it's hard for you, you can do one alphabet V over here, one alphabet, not really V, but first you have to draw one line and then you can draw alphabet V or diamond shape. It's better to say diamond shape over here and alphabet V over here. Now for this line, I'm going to curve this one, and even this one I will curve. And this point I also curve over here. Curve. This line also we have to curve. This one we are going to curve all of them, so not exactly from here. It's kind of starting from here, the smiley face curvy line, and it will go all the way on the top of this one, kind of like a leaf. Now from here we can turn this one and it will go to this point. Over here I'm going to draw one smiley face curvy line, whatever you want to say, and then this line is coming, so I will take one point over here. From here I will pull this one little bit, or you can start from here, kind of like this, both side, and then instead of going down you have to turn this one here. Got the shape. Now I will curve everything in one stroke so it will look better. So now we have to draw the baby. For that we can draw a smiley face over here, freestyle, but if you want it exactly the way I am drawing, so I can draw one straight line over here, and little bit far from this one I'm going to draw one smiley face, maybe this much. So you can see this is super skinny over here, and this line is going up here. Over here I'm going to pick one point over here under this line, so this one go a little bit down here, and then it will touch this line, another kind of like a smiley. So this one is tilting. Instead of that I want to straight here and then go there, so maybe I have to move this line a little bit down. So like this, and from here it will turn and it will go on the top of this line. Now this is the line, so I pick one dot here, little bit far from this one, this middle line I will pick another point, not on this line, little bit down over here, and this line will go all the way over here. Now this is the line. On the top of this line I will draw very slightly curvy line, almost straight, and then I'm going to turn this one and I will do this direction, just like a peacock or parrot we learn, same thing. So this line has to be a little bit smaller, so let me erase my guideline so we can see properly. this line we are not going to pull all the way, just little bit. So this is the line. On the top of this line I will do alphabet V over here, one alphabet V over here, and this is the line. So I will start from here and maybe here, and one line will start over here and it will be connected over here. So this one I will curve, and same thing I will curve this one. This one is a little bit pointy right now for me, so still I can see my way. So let's do it again. Curve this one and then go like this. This one I don't want pointy too, so maybe this one will go. This line is bigger. One we will erase and make it lighter a little bit. So it will start from here like that. From here this line will go curvy here. Same thing, big smiley face over here, one middle point like a bird, and then we will turn. I did charcoal over here, charcoal pencil, darker and lighter shade. If you want to color with the marker or pen, you go ahead. I'm doing some bubbles over here.